Hey there, Ashley and Eugenia again from EyePromise, back with more insights from our Scientific Advisory Board. They help us answer the most commonly Googled questions about eye health issues from an eye doctor's perspective.
Today we'll be talking about common questions surrounding age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, and a nutrient called zeaxanthin.
What is the main cause of macular degeneration? First, let's clear up some terminology. Age-related macular degeneration can also be referred to as AMD, macular degeneration, or MD. It could even be referred to as dry, non-executive, or non-neovascular AMD, as well as wet, executive, and neovascular AMD.
Macular degeneration is a multifactorial disease, meaning that there are several things that can cause it. Genetics are the main factor for age-related macular degeneration. However, as the name implies, prevalence increases with age. There are also other factors, including smoking, excessive UV exposure without appropriate sunglasses, and eating low amounts of leafy greens and brightly colored fruits and vegetables.
At what age does macular degeneration begin? The age in which macular degeneration begins varies significantly based on your genetic makeup and your lifestyle choices. As a general rule of thumb, the older you are, the higher your risk of developing it.
Screening generally begins at age 50 based on age-related eye disease studies trial criteria, otherwise known as AREDS and AREDS 2, with the exception of family history and other risk factors.
Regardless of when AMD occurs, it's never too early to be proactive with the appropriate lifestyle changes and supporting overall eye health through nutrition and supplementation.
Can macular degeneration be prevented? Once diagnosed, progression of AMD can be slowed down but not reversed. While we cannot change our genetics, we can minimize AMD risk factors and oxidative stress through healthy lifestyle behaviors, including quitting smoking, wearing quality sunglasses with UV protection when outside, getting regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, low in refined carbohydrates and high in leafy greens and brightly colored fruit and vegetables, taking science-based vitamins with ingredients known to support overall eye health, as well as with high levels of high-quality dietary zeaxanthin to help build macular pigment.
Do supplements play a role in caring for macular degeneration? Aside from genetics, the amount of zeaxanthin and lutein a person has in the center of their retina or their macula can help determine whether or not that person is at risk for developing AMD. Zeaxanthin and lutein are the only two carotenoids out of 600 that are found in high quantities in the center of the retina. Because our bodies don't produce zeaxanthin and lutein naturally, we need to get the amounts that our eyes need through diet or through nutritional supplementation in order to maintain good eye health.
The National Eye Institute's AREDS 2 trial looked at the impact of supplementation for the patients with moderate to advanced AMD. Those results demonstrated the benefits of supplementing with zeaxanthin and lutein, as well as vitamin A, C, E, and zinc.
Additionally, science-based eye vitamins that have high amounts of dietary zeaxanthin and lutein have been shown to improve visual clarity, night vision, shape discrimination, and ability to see in low contrast environments such as driving on a cloudy day or at dusk.
What is zeaxanthin and how does it promote eye health? Zeaxanthin is an antioxidant. When ingested, it is deposited in high concentration in macula, which is a part of retina responsible for giving us high definition in our vision.
As an antioxidant, zeaxanthin neutralizes free radicals that can cause oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cell damage and related eye health issues.
Additionally, it selectively filters high-energy blue wavelength light that damages cells responsible for good vision.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.